Hi, this is John Criswell. Welcome to Manufacturing Marvels. Today we are just south of Chicago in Momence, Illinois, at the home of LN Engineering. Founded in 2002 by Charles Navarro, son of Cuban immigrants, LN Engineering is best known for their billet aluminum Nickeys cylinders for air-cooled Porsche engines, as well as for their patented solutions for the intermediate shaft bearing for Boxster and 911 models. LN Engineering seeks to provide innovative, no-compromise solutions to the automotive market for the street and racetrack, exceeding original equipment manufacturers' requirements. They strive to deliver the highest level of precision performance for their products, using improved materials, manufacturing, and finishing technologies, all backed by industry-leading resources and support. They also do contract manufacturing and private labeling for other automotive companies. As you tour their Illinois manufacturing facility, you'll witness the use of computer numeric-controlled machines that are proudly made in America and operated by their team of dedicated professionals. In addition to making new parts, LN Engineering specializes in the reconditioning of aluminum engine blocks. LN Engineering's dedication to quality ensures that every part undergoes stringent quality control inspections at multiple points during the manufacturing or reconditioning process to ensure the best possible outcome for their customers. For more than 20 years, LN Engineering has offered premium automotive performance parts from industry leaders as well as specialty products from small businesses that align with their philosophy and share the same dedication to quality as LN Engineering. Visit them at lnengineering.com. This is John Criswell for Manufacturing Marvels.